Johnson announced today that a booster shot would provide more than 90% protection against symptomatic COVID-19. The company provided evidence to back up earlier findings that another injection 6 months after receiving the initial single-shot vaccine provided that increased protection. NBC7's Ali Rafa has more on the company's update.
In a statement Tuesday, Johnson & Johnson said while its single-dose vaccine remains strongly effective for up to 8 months, a booster, quote, further increases protection against COVID-19 and is expected to extend the duration of protection significantly. Phase 3 U.S. trial data of the J&J booster says it's 94% effective when given 2 months after the first dose, and it boosts antibody levels too. Levels in people who got a booster 2 months after the first dose rose 4 to 6 times compared to after just one shot, surging 12-fold in people who got the booster after 6 months, regardless of age.
The boost in immunity that we're seeing with this booster shot with Johnson & Johnson appears to be comparable to what we're seeing with the other vaccines.
J&J says the booster is 100% effective in protecting against severe disease, and side effects are generally the same as the initial doses.
This is excellent news. A lot of people did get the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
The CDC says 14.8 million Americans, to be exact, and National City Mayor Alejandra Sotelo Solis is one of them.
I'm very excited about hearing when and where I sign up for that second dose. Why not? This gives us more protection.
But if a convenient one-and-done dose isn't the case for much longer,
it's difficult to get people back in.
San Diego otolaryngologist Dr. Schalch Lepe says the homeless and people in harder-to-reach communities, a large percentage of whom were given the J&J shot because it's convenient and easier to store, may struggle to access a booster.
Ultimately, it's up to the individual to come back and follow through with this booster. So it's definitely a challenge.
Sotelo Solis says she hopes more public knowledge of booster updates will help more people get them when the time comes.
I think at the end of the day, a second shot from Johnson & Johnson or booster shot will be well received.
Ali Rafa, NBC7.
Johnson & Johnson says it will submit all of its trial data to the FDA for potential recommendation of a booster and approval of a 2-dose regimen.